Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Hayati. Today I want to present you about computer-based training of Grab company. Okay, firstly, I want to tell you about the background Grab company. Anthony Tan made a reservation service which he completed in the Harvard Business Plan competition in 2011, and then placing second that helped him get angle of investor. Then, the service was launched in 2020 as My Taxi, and quickly they developed as Grab Taxi and also as Grab. Today, Grab operating in 30 cities throughout Malaysia, Philippines, India, Thailand, Singapore, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Next, the introduction of CVT. First, CVT is very useful when training employees on certain computer applications, but it can also be built to train them in general knowledge or skills. The usage of CVT in Grab company is to boost the country economy. It is of interest to Grab's company that their micro entrepreneur in Indonesia have been launched on September 2019, and then they not only create employment or profit opportunities, but they create tangible access to those with disabilities are denied access to the market and generate income by using CBT with their company. Okay, for the Grab company aims is to increase their digital literacy for 3 million people and small business, and their develop technology skill for 20,000 students by 2025 through Grab for Good. To achieve this goal, Grab has announced two major initiatives under the program Grab for Good, which is skills trainings and digital literacy sharing between Microsoft and Grab.
Okay, next slide is for the advantage of CVT, especially to the organization of the company. So, the main advantage of an organization is that they can ensure all of their coaches receive the same training regardless of where they are. And then, the organization of the company can deliver a standard and consistent training to a large number of workers throughout the organization and even across the globe. So, second, another advantage is the large number of workers can be trained in a short period. This is because there's no limit to the number of workers that can be trained because there is no problem about such thing as teacher or classroom. Okay, the third advantage of CBT is to reduce or reduction of training costs due to the elimination of the costs of travel, training facilities, hotels, rooms, meal, coach and employee work time during the trip and attended the training. Next slide is disadvantages of CBT. The main drawback is the cost to the organization development, especially for advanced multimedia program. Although the cost to design and develop computer-based training is much higher than traditional classroom training, right? And then the program was developed as soon as there is no potential for substantial cost saving in view of the elimination of variable costs. In addition, there are fewer interpersonal relationship and interaction with other trainees in a company. So the individuals also have the coach learning preference and styles. So the trainers who are not computer literate may also be against the introduction of technology because they are still unaware of how to use it and will cause them to feel overwhelmed. Next slide is blending of CBT. First, informal learning. So, for more information about the Grab company, it has also encouraged anyone who wants to work with their online job registration. So, the Grab Academy also offers 3 free courses for the beginners, such as personal finance management, car basic maintenance, and disabled passenger handling. The applicant who wish to work under the Grab company, they can get some information through video on YouTube before registering online at the official website Grab. Therefore, Grab company has also made an informal learning and combined with computer-based training after the learning informally. Second is on the job training. The employees are not only actively involved but they also participate in real-time activities that related to their current or future jobs. In addition, this type of training can result in rapid learning as the employee is thrown into a deep saying. This experience can be very stressful for some employees as they would like to treat their customer and it should be honed by adding value to their employees. Next is the type of CBT in Grab. The Grab Academy website is only one example that can provide information on how to Grab company uses intelligent tutoring system. Through the information provided, registrants will be more interested and there is important information they need to know before they can become official employees at the Grab company. Grab also made a video on their YouTube channel about the basics of information before registrants sign up. Conclusion, Grab company is up to date with the computer-based training for Grab car. Grab is very concerned about how to recruit online workers and like GrabCar employees or GrabFood. It can be concluded that the Grab company is a successful company that has opened several branches of Southeast Asia.